Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tabitha and today we are going to talk about passive income investing. So this thing I've been doing it for a while and now we are continuing for the new year, but we still have 2 more months behind. So today we are going to do for the month of December and I will show you what I'm buying and how much dividend I will get for the shares that I will buy today. So let's go ahead and do it together. Passive income investing is the title of today, and we're going to do for the month of December. So let's go ahead and look at what we have for December for our passive income account. So let's continue. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more videos, and I will appreciate your business. So now let's see. So we start with the account. So if you're doing passive income investing, you are really earning a little bit of dividend and you don't want that dividend to be taxed, or maybe the capital gain that you will get in that account to be taxed too. So you have to get the tax-proof account so you can earn your dividend without any tax that you have to pay on them. So for me, I use tax-free saving account is the priority. But if I want to buy dividend stock from US, I have to use RRSP. And RRSP, you use RRSP so you can avoid withholding tax from the US government. But if you don't have to buy a US dividend, and then you can, which is easy for you to use, you don't have to convert any money to US dollar. You only just use Canadian dollars, right? But if you have to buy like the US stocks that pay dividend, you have to put them in your RRSP account. For RRSP, it depends if you're going to remove money from that account for whatever reason, and then you have to pay taxes. But if you use that money for maybe your first home buying or maybe some approved educational programs or retirement when you're 70 something years, and then you don't have to pay any taxes. So let's look at this one. So those are the two account that I use for passive income investing, and you can use either. If you're into US, use the RRSP. If you are into Canadians one, you use the TFSA. So number two is your money. So before you invest, you need money. So you have to move money from your account to your Quest Trade account or maybe any of the broker that you use. So move your money. So for me, I use choose instant deposit. So that one only do it for two minutes and you are done, right? So you only post your money in 2 minutes and you start buying your shares or your stocks. So what you do, you just save your debit card on your Questrade account, and then whenever you want to do a transfer, you just click on it, and that's it. Stock to invest in. So for passive income for me, so the first priority is for me to buy ETFs. So ETFs are exchange traded fund. So they're a group of funds that are put together to make a stock. So if you buy those ones, they're less risky and they're more diversified because they're made up by many companies and not just a single company. So the priority goes to ETF when it comes to passive income investing based on my strategy, the strategy that I use. So this month we are going to do we are going to buy one ETF, and I will show this month we are going to do ETF. So ETFs we are going to buy XEI.TO. So XEI.TO is one of the ETFs in Canada is cheap, so you can really acquire more shares together and then gain some dividend every month. So it's a monthly dividend too, so it's really convenient. You can easily see how much you can get in a month. So let's go ahead and do it. How many shares can you buy and the dividend that you get? So let me show you what I'm doing this month for XEI. So I have a capital of $100, and then XEI.TO price is 35.92. So the number of shares that I will get is 100 divided by 35.93. You just put that small difference so you can get the exact number of shares that you want to get 2 shares. And then the dividend per share is 0.112, which is like 11 cents per share. So that is per month. One share per month get 11 cents and some change, right? So you get that the 11 cents times 2 shares, so you will be getting 22 cents per, per for those 2 shares. Stock to invest in, so sometime I can move ahead and then buy individual stocks like BMO, Scotiabank. So let's look at this chart for XEI. So XEI is it always fluctuate. It's going to fluctuate, and most of the time because I do this thing called dollar cost average. I don't really mind how high and low the stock shares goes. I buy whenever I have the money and then keep building over time. So if you have your money and you want to start investing, you can go to questrade.com and start your investing right away. And that is the end of the video. If you like what I just shared, please subscribe for more videos and I will appreciate your business. Thank you and see you next time.